Duchenne muscular dystrophy by Katie Kent. What is it? Duchenne muscular dystrophy is a genetic disorder characterized by progressive muscle degeneration and weakness. It is caused by an absence of dystrophin, a protein that helps keep muscle cells intact. Symptoms show up in early childhood between the ages of 3 and 5. It primarily affects boys, but in rare cases it can affect girls. Symptoms: muscle weakness can begin at the age of 3. It can affect the hips, thighs, shoulders, arms, and legs. Calves are often enlarged, and the heart and respiratory muscles can also be affected. Life expectancy: boys usually don't survive past their teen years, but with research the number is increasing, and some can even live to be in their 50s with fairly normal lives. Cause: in 1986, researchers identified a gene on the X chromosome that, when mutated, causes Duchenne and Becker muscular dystrophy. Duchenne muscular dystrophy occurs because the flawed gene fails to produce any functional dystrophin. This causes muscle damage and progressive weakness. Inheritance: DMD is inherited in an X-linked pattern because the X chromosome is where the mutation is carried. Girls get 2 X chromosomes, but boys only get 1 from their mother. A boy with the mutation has a 50% chance of inheriting the disease. Girls have a 50% chance of inheriting the mutation and being a carrier. Treatment: medication like eteplirsen, corticosteroids, and heart medication can help to treat or slow the process of DMD. Therapy can improve quality and length of life of people with DMD. Range of motion exercises, stretching, low-impact aerobic exercises, things to assist like braces and breathing assistance, and mobility aids can all help someone with muscular dystrophy. In some cases, surgery may be needed to fix spinal curvature. There is no exact cure for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, but these treatments may help lengthen life and make things more comfortable for the affected individual. Females and males. When girls inherit the mutation, they usually get a healthy gene to counteract the bad one. A female is a DMD carrier who has normal dystrophin on one X chromosome and abnormal dystrophin on the other. Some effects may be experienced by females even if they don't have DMD or Becker MD. Men cannot pass on DMD to their sons, only their daughters, because the Y chromosome is not affected. When a male inherits the mutation, he has no other gene to make up for the bad one, so they usually develop DMD. If a man has a daughter, she is automatically a carrier, and if the mother happens to also carry the mutated gene, then a female can develop DMD. Duchenne muscular dystrophy occurs 1 in every 3,500 male births. Extra facts: Duchenne muscular dystrophy is one of the most common forms of muscular dystrophy, and it can be detected during pregnancy. 1 in every 3,000 kids are born with DMD. The 2 most common forms, Becker and Duchenne, are genetically inherited and they lack dystrophin. Dystrophin is said to play an important role in maintaining the membrane sarcolemma of muscle cells. There are 5 types of muscular dystrophy, including Becker, Emery-Dreifuss, limb-girdle, and spinal MD.